Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's January 31st, Thursday morning. USDA's weekly export sales number just released. Corn 253. That's within the range of 150 to 300 the trade was expecting. Soybeans 1,253,000 tons. That's well above the expected range of 650 to 850. And most of that sales, however, was new crop and expected to go to China because they had bought quite a few beans last week. Wheat 387.9 was the number. That's in the middle of the trading range or the expected range of traders here this morning. Well, I think really what we have is a true weather market. We're focusing on weather out of South America. Yesterday it wasn't going to rain. It's going to be extremely dry. Overnight they got some rains in central Argentina in the growing areas where they needed it. Unexpected amounts there of anywhere from half to an inch and a half. And then there's a bigger system moving in here later this week and should give some more moisture. So actually a surprise there. The forecast has got a little bit more rain, a little less high temperatures, and that's driving the soybean market here this morning, causing some correction there. The markets, corn and soybeans, both are extremely in the overbought condition, so setback is not a surprise at all. So we'll have to see how we maneuver here with the markets later today and into the weekend. Outside markets are giving a little bit of a headwind here as the concern over economic situation in the EU has got traders a little bit nervous again. We're seeing crude oil, and the gold under a little bit of pressure here this morning. So kind of a risk-off mentality by traders is what's causing some problems for the grains as well. But not too concerned. We still have got some very tight supplies. One thing that we did notice, though, yesterday on the cash market side of things, we've seen some farmers selling in both corn and soybeans, and that had caused some weakness in basis. Some places we've seen corn basis drop 5 cents because of some farmer movement on this rally that we've seen yesterday. The meal market and grain markets in China, little stronger in line with yesterday's action. Meal got most of the gain, up $7, which made the crushers improve their margins in China. So with that, you expect a strong demand for soybeans. So we'll be watching and concerned about the ability of Brazil to get their soybeans harvested, moved to port, and shipped out on a timely basis. And with the larger amount of rain that they've had there, that has slowed that, and that's what trade's concerned about, and the reason for the strength in the nearby soybean contract. So watch that closely. Stay in touch with Allendale Research, and we'll keep you informed there. In the livestock trade, cash cattle look like we should be trading higher this week. However, still a standoff, and the bids and ask are several dollars apart. Looking for some support from the product, and we're just not getting it. The demand there at the retail counter for beef seems to be sluggish, and cutout values, choice down 13 cents yesterday, select down 8 cents, and that's our biggest problem that we've got in the cattle trade right now, is moving the beef, because that would help packer margins and also justify higher prices for fed cattle, as supplies are certainly tight. So we'll be watching that closely. We do have a cattle inventory report coming out here tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock. The numbers there suggesting decline in cattle inventories. as low as a 60-year low in cattle numbers. So that could be significant depending on how those numbers come out. That's more of a longer-term picture. Usually do not get an immediate reaction off of it. It's more of an adjustment of spreads and ideas as we go forward, but still very much an important report. The pork complex, colder temperatures, snow, inability of moving hogs have caused cash hogs to stay firm and support the nearby February contract, but cutout values declined sharply yesterday, down $1.12 in the pork cutout value. So some imbalance there as well. We'll have to watch that very closely as we go forward, and certainly stay in touch with Allendale's research team, and we'll answer any questions that you might have. You can give us a call at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning.